guys, what if I tell you that niching is not the only way you can grow your YouTube channel? Yes, I know you just rolled your eyes when I actually found out about this hack. I was as shocked as you, but just calm, cool down. I'm going to take you on a road trip on how you can actually create your content without niching down. I am a creative that wants to express myself in multiple ways because I wear different hats. I'm a business person and an entrepreneur. I'm a fashionista. I am a tailor. I am a graphic designer. I talk about faith on my channel, and niching down to a particular topic can limit my creativity, will limit my creativity. I want to create my content for a particular audience, but just chill, calm down. In this video, I'm going to be taking you on a road trip on how you can succeed here on YouTube without niching down. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, my name is Esther for Alex. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about niching. Yes, niching is actually one of the words we learn while learning about content creation. So I know you have had niching like 1,000,000,001 times, but I'm here to tell you that you don't need to niche down to have a successful YouTube channel. I want to create a community where I can reach out to people like myself. I wear different hats, so I know there are people out there that wear different hats like me too, so I want to be able to reach out to them, not niching down to a particular box, because niching for me just box you and limit your creative power. Start with the fundamental of layering. What I mean is layering your content into different segments, and YouTube playlist has actually helped us with that right now. So you can actually create multiple content in one space, and YouTube playlist will help you arrange them, put them in a particular space, just like a box, just like you are the owner of the house. This is a building, which is your YouTube channel, and you have different boxes, all with a name on it. This is for content creation, this is for fashion, this is for faith-based, this is DIY. That is what my channel is about. So I'm using myself as an example to explain to you on how you can do yours. So you can actually be a bodybuilder that does dieting, that does other things, that does fashion too. Bodybuilders to do fashion, so you just know how to incorporate everything into one umbrella of your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel don't need to be limited. You don't have to limit your ideas, you don't have to limit your creative power because you want to niche down. Niching down can actually make you outgrow your content, because if you start content creation, if you start creating content for young moms, if you are married, what happens when you have outgrown that phase of your life and your content is basically about young moms and your children have grown? So how do you incorporate that? What if you're creating a content for example, you're creating a content for high school buddies and you graduate from high school, you move from high school to college? How do you incorporate that into your niche if your niche is basically about high school buddies or high school students? So basically, layering is the best thing to do. Just learn how to layer playlists, YouTube playlists. I feel YouTube actually advises and encourages us to do multiple topics and multi-niche, like sub-niche, because if they don't want that, why would they actually create playlists? Because playlist basically is for you to channel your content into a box. That's basically how I see it, and that is even how it is. So if YouTube is not encouraging that creative part of you for you to explore more out of your creativity, I don't think there's any need of them creating a playlist, my dear. Let your channel be about you. Let your channel be about your life. Nobody has just one hat. You can be a stay-at-home mom but you have a business that you are running, you have kids that you are taking care of, you have a husband that you are taking care of, you attend gym, you cook. That's other content, that's other parts of your life that you might want to share. So creating multiple topics like submission can actually help you incorporate your different life, the different segments of your life into your content creation journey. So I'm going to be giving a definition of niche, and I'm going to be reading that out for you. So I wrote down here, a niche is a specific category or segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. So that is basically what a niche is. A niche is actually a roadmap that tell people what your content is about, what you are aiming at, what's the story you're telling. So I feel niching is actually boring because we are all creative. What's the essence of just creating a particular topic where you can actually do more? Because we all have more in us to give out to the world. Niching actually just limits your creativity and just box you. Instead of niching down to a particular audience, because we basically niche down to appeal to a particular audience. Audience are basically people that your video are for. Your video is not for everybody. Your video is for a particular set of people. So that is your audience. So I would advise you to actually create an audience persona. Audience persona is actually picking out a particular person from your audience. Audience are a lot of people, so picking out a particular person and creating an avatar of that person in your head. And when you're scripting or writing down your content ideas or filming, is as if you are talking to that particular person. That actually helps you to reach out to a lot of people personally, because you're talking to that avatar personally. So I'm going to call that avatar's name God's Favor, my younger sister's name, because I love her so much. I'm going to use her name. So if I'm creating a content for God's Favor, what is the audience persona of God's Favor? I wrote it down here. I said, the first thing I'm looking out for God's Favor is a young lady which is from the age of 18 to 35, building a career for herself and starting a business, discovering herself, that is fashionable, faith-oriented, loves sharing her ideas and learning how to create content, creating a passive income. So I'm going to be dropping a template on how you can create your audience persona. I listed some character and attributes of God's Favor. So if I'm creating a content, I should have God's Favor in my head. God's Favor is not just somebody that wants to create content. Neither is she just a fashionable person. She's also faith-oriented. She's also creating a passive income for herself, which is money. She's also learning how to create content. She's also starting a business. So if I'm creating content, I'm creating content that will resonate, that will appeal to God's favor. So this is the segment of her life. This is what her life entails. She's not married yet. When she moves to the marriage age and she gets married, I can actually now say, okay, this avatar, God's Favor, just got married, so I want to create content about marriage. That is actually creating content for this person's life, everyday life. One thing sub niche does to your channel is it actually helps you get more audience, and your audience retention is more, because if they want something about food, you have it. If they want something about faith, you have it. If they want something about entrepreneurship, it's all in your channel. And if they enjoy your video, they will definitely want to hear this part of your channel, this part of it, this part of it. Understand that you are the niche. You are the niche of your channel. Your personality, who you are, is your niche. The content you want to create is your niche. If you want to create content for a specific audience, like you are a B2C, that's business to customer kind of channel, it is very important you niche, so your customers know what they are looking for in your channel. But if your channel is informative and educative, I will advise you not to niche down. If it's a business channel, a business page, it is very important you do that. And if it's a gaming channel, it is important to do that. Niching is not for every topic, it's not for everybody, so it depends on what your channel is about. I needed to say this because it's very important. I'm going to be giving some side effects of niching. One of the side effects of niching is you get bored creating content, because you are creating content on fashion. At a point it will get boring. It will get boring because you want to explore, you want to do new things, you want to say new things, but you cannot, because you are basically talking about only fashion. So it boxes you and makes it boring. The side effect of niching is you lose yourself while niching. I'm going to be using Vanessa Lau as an example. She stopped filming for over a year because she said that she had a breakdown. She was just tired of everything she was doing. She said she has a
Last year, I decided to leave social media and go ghost mode. I put up this announcement to my followers, letting them know that I was taking an indefinite break. I had no idea when I was coming back. I had really tough conversations with my client.
In conclusion, consider layering your channel. You are too creative to box yourself in a particular niche. You are too creative for that. Bring out the best in you, do great things and explore. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you enjoyed it or you have one or few tips to add, please drop it in the comment section. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to that. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I drop videos every week. Every week I drop videos. Please hit the notification bell, and don't forget that God loves you more than the devil hates you. Bye guys, see you next week. Love you.